Outstanding design defines the 2009 Acura TSX. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Acura prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, and much more. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Acura ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.